Nissan Versa Note 2014 to 2019. To remove the door handle, you need to unscrew the bolt on the side of the door all the way to the left. After that, you can remove the lock cylinder. To do this, you will need to disconnect the metal rod inside the door. Once that's done, you can pull out the door handle. To remove the inner door handle housing, cut one zip tie that secures the cable and use a screwdriver to disconnect the second cable.